a quick demo of a plugin. I call it load token. So basically, instead of the syndicated content control, that in higher logic that has a couple limitations as far as placement when you're including that on a new page. So I came up with this customization. Um, so this is my schedule page. There's actually a lot going on this page. I've got these this show hide control as well as modal windows, which is pulling dynamically from my speakers page. But let's focus on these sidebar widgets, we'll call them. So one is pulling just a little bit of text information. One is actually pulling from my sponsors page, just my gold sponsors. So normally you would need to copy this control, put it over on your schedule, or try to set up the syndicated content control. And you can see, actually, when I refresh the page, if you look at the right bar, it loads asynchronously. So it does not load at the same time as my main content. That's because some JavaScript is running and then pulling the information dynamically into my sidebar here. So I'll show you how that is managed. If I go to my section 2 here, I just have these two load tokens. If I view HTML, you'll see basically you need 2 bits of information. One is just your page code where that information, that content exists, and then the specific class. So the cool thing is you can have a sidebars page with multiple sidebars and then just change out the section that you want to load in that area. So I'm actually going to change this to section 3 because I know I've got some different content about my keynote speaker in section 3. You don't see anything change here. The JavaScript does not run in the WYSIWYG. But if I hit save, go back to my events side, and I was on schedule. So now it's showing my keynote speaker. And I'll show you where that is managed. So I have this page called sidebars, and then I have these 2 content items. So kind of a cool handy thing, I can view this page, I can see where everything is, and then just by changing the class, I can load different sidebars into my different pages.